We're gonna make a big, beautiful piece of salmon, and I'm gonna do a miso glaze for the salmon. So I'm starting with white miso paste, a heaping tablespoon, equal parts miso to brown sugar, like about that much. Splash of rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar, you could use black vinegar, you could use regular vinegar, you could even use lemon juice. Everybody really likes this recipe. I make it for parties, I make it for guests. I just added some more sesame oil, just like a tablespoon, something like that. And then you're gonna add some soy sauce. All of this is just approximate. I put the real measurements below, but you can see when I make this, I don't use real measurements. I just approximate it. The miso is like a paste, so you wanna take your fork and kind of smash it in there. And then we're just gonna mix this all together really well. This is my husband's favorite salmon too. I've tried making it other ways, like just regular brown sugar salmon, citrus salmon, but he always asks me to just make this one. And this comes together really quick. You can make it in like 20 minutes, so that's always a plus. I like to put the salmon on parchment paper, that way it doesn't stick and you can eat the skin because the skin is really good and it's healthy too. And then you just brush this miso glaze on. If you want to marinate it ahead of time, you can, but I never do. I just do this right before I bake it. If you don't have one of these, you can use a tablespoon to spread it around. Now we're going to put this in a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Here's how it came out. It's really nicely done. This is how we like it. It's not burned around the edges. This is just the sauce on the parchment paper, so this is perfect to me.